Hello guys and welcome once again. This is Maurice. Today we are looking at PulseX. PulseX is an interesting exchange and is the most liquid exchange on PulseX on PulseChain. Yeah. So to start off, PulseX is a token under PulseChain blockchain. Every time you trade on PulseX buys and burns PulseX, driving scarcity, demand, and potential price upside. So basically, if you want to learn more about PulseX, do your own research. But the first stage that you have to go is PulseX.com. This is where you learn much about it, and you can trade anytime. Like on the page, when you say trade, when you click on this tab, trade now, it will direct you to the next page where you'll see on how you can trade on PulseChain. You'll see the stats on PulseChain. Token launcher pump .tires. We are going to talk about pump .tires and buy tokens. You can buy them on oxcost.com. Much about PulseX. It's the most liquid exchange on PulseChain. We have many liquid exchanges on PulseChain, and that are still being built, but PulseX is the most liquid one, and it is the token that it is also like a token that has been built by Richard Hart. PulseX is PulseChain's exchange, more like Uniswap. PulseX enables you to exchange token PRC20s and PulseChain for one another. For example, you could swap PulseChain native token PLS for PulseX token PLSX. Of course, it works like Uniswap. On Ethereum. Bridges also let people trade currencies from other chains on PulseX. Yeah. It is also the world's largest yield farm. Every time people swap from one coin to another on PulseX, liquidity providers and fees as a reward. Users can bridge in their ERC20s and pair them with PRC20s in order to provide liquidity and earn fees. This also blocks the value of the PRC20s that they got from free. Backs the value. This also backs the value of PLC20s that they got for free. Yeah. So that is PulseX. Is the second PulseX incentive token. A second PulseX incentive token, I think it is the INC, where in order to enhance Pulse success, and another token will exist to further incentivize liquidity providers beyond the fees they are already making. When they become liquidity providers, they will receive LP tokens that they can deposit into a yield farm. This not yet named token is emitted with decreasing inflation time. I think by the time this was coming up, the DAO chooses which trading pairs to receive this incentive. So I think this incentive token, we're going to talk about the incentive token maybe in another video. Yeah, so PulseX goal is a Uniswap fork with PLSX liquidity provider incentivization. So anybody who provides liquidity into the PulseX liquidity pools, they get incentivized and they get the INC incentive token. Yeah, so you'll go through this page and you will learn much about it. Basically on this video, I also wanted us to look at how the tokenomics of PulseX are very many, but then price drives everything. So we have this chart here. Of course, we are looking at the weekly time frame. We are looking at PulseX, and this is how price has been performing since this token was launched on PulseX, on PulseChain. Of course, it was also launched in May 2023, and this is how it has been performing. On this page, each candlestick here represents how price has been performing since price since the token launched. Yeah, and we can see the big bull candle here, and the red candles are representing the green candle represents bullish momentum, and the red candles represent bearish momentum, much like saying the bull representing buying momentum, and the red candles represents selling momentum. So this is how it has been performing, up, down, and we are seeing this consolidation. It's like it's consolidating between this high it did here and this low it has been from where it started. And you can see it has revisited these lows quite often. Like we can pull these, you can, when you come on this tab here, you will get the horizontal line, and you can do this even for yourself. Like, it is very easy, and you'll see how price is just like showing you how price was coming at this low point here, and how it was bouncing or getting rejected at this support here. Yeah, so price has been quite low since it was launched, and we can see it is still on a bearish trend. We can confirm that by using that trend line. You pick the trend line, you place it on the highest peak there, and you connect it with the second, and then this first peak and this second peak here, and then it will connect with each the following that will follow from there. You'll see if price reaches at this point, you're very sure it will go down, or it will be get rejected. And if it penetrates above this point, it will mean that price has broken out of this bearish trend. Yeah, now currently price is at this point, and we are seeing it's revisiting the previous all time maybe low. And yeah, the candlestick is kinda turning green this week. Yeah, so that is to mean that price is still bearish. We haven't seen any confirmation that price is as stand now bullish yet. So for now we wait in the time on the weekly time frame. Maybe we could look at the daily time frame, where we are seeing maybe more details on how price is performing on the daily. Each candle stick here represents how price is performing daily. You see, price is what you learn and know about the how the token or how the coin is performing, and then after that you are able now to make your decision or to forecast whether the prices will go up or it will go down. So what we are seeing here, this is like some type of liquidity. Price is trying to fetch some liquidity at this point here, and we are going to see how price is going to perform, and how it will, like, price has to give us a signal that now price is bullish. Yeah, so we have those candlestick patterns, and we study these candlesticks and have that prediction. Yeah, so we can also use some of these tools here just to see how price is making getting rejected from these points. You see, you take the lowest point and the next lowest point, and then after you connect the first and the second point, you'll get to see price having some rejection on third or the fourth point. Now you can see this is quite represented here. Price is getting rejected at this point here, so we are trying to get rejected here, and then the bulls will take over the market. That is my prediction from this chart. So let's wait, continue doing your research, go buy Pulse, swap it to PulseX, and you are going to have this coin waiting for you to pump. Like you're going to pump your own bags actually. So make sure to pump your own bags by buying PulseX. Yeah. PulseX is quite a good token, and it might bring some good returns for you. Yeah, so again, this is GoPulse. You go and look at the statistics. Actually, PulseX has been up 2%. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and GoPulse will give you the statistics. So thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and share them with your friends. Thank you very much.